all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in today's video we are going to see how to use maximum of Google search for our online research. In this video I am going to share some tricks with you which can be helpful for you to optimize your Google search, and you will get very good results after firing the query. The only thing with Google is you have to fire the query appropriately and using some certain specific tricks that I'm going to share with you, you can easily search the content on Google. So let's check it out in today's video. What are the different tricks that can be helpful for you for modifying and optimizing your research? So tip number 1, use multiple keywords. It's always good to use multiple keywords with Google rather than giving just specific name. For example, if you want to see climate change, then it will show you all the options related to climate change and what is the definition. But if you see climate change for year 2021, then it will show you the events, articles, news that you're aiming or looking for. So in this way, try to modify your search using multiple keywords rather than using a single word. The next trick is to use quotation marks. Quotation marks are very beautiful. Like for example, if you see global warming, it will just show you only the results related to global warming, and it will narrow down its search, and you will not see any other videos or content related to other than global warming. Using quotation marks is quite helpful, and I do use a lot while firing my Google search queries. The next one to use is minus operator. For example, if we are searching for Apple, and now there are analogies related to Apple, whether it is an Apple company you're speaking or a fruit. So that's why, to make it more specific, just use the minus operator and mention it about fruit. If you're, for example, looking for a fruit, then it will narrow down a search and just show you all the benefits and everything related to Apple. And even when you will see the images, it just contains the apples. Now it is not showing anymore the Mac Apple logo. So in this way, this minus operator is very beautiful. Try to make maximum use of it to get the concern and optimized output. The next important thing is writing the keyword site. Site colon will take you to the particular slide that you are aiming to look for. For example, site Stack Overflow. Then it will just take you to that site and it will show you the Stack Overflow. For any specific information, if you are looking or want to search for a site, just write site and colon, and it will directly show you the link that you are targeting to look for. The next one is using the file type operator. For example, if we want to have some research paper related to NLP, you just have to write NLP file type PDF. So then it will show you all the NLP related stuff that exist in PDF. So you can write here video, MP3, audio, whatever you're aiming to look for. The key word is file type and mention the file type that you are aiming to look for. The last one is using wildcard operator. This is very helpful when you are searching for some lyrics of my song, of any song, but not able to get the entire lyrics. Then you just type, for example, if we are trying to search for a song, Love Me If You Can, and we don't know and we just don't remember, then just type it with an asterisk and just say enter. Then it will show you which song you are trying to search for. The wildcard are the most popular and famous that you can use for searching the strings that are missing and you are aiming if you are not able to recollect the entire string. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.